So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of very important opportunity from many good company, that is from the Meesho, Cisco and other important companies. So if you are freshers then looking for a good opportunity, then you can just go through our video. So first important opportunity from the Meesho, they are hiring for the role of trainee social media, Bangalore, Karnataka. I mean job role will be Bangalore, Karnataka. And these will be your roles and responsibility. What you will do as a trainee social media at Meesho, you will help manager you will help them to manage the social media influencer engagement, work closely with content creators across the country to shape and deliver high impact collaborations, social media executions and affiliate content coordination. So if you are interested in this, then you can apply. Just go through complete job in the description and apply with updated resume. Next important role, which is completely a tech profile, that is from the Cisco. They are hiring for the role of software engineer and job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. So talking a little bit more about the job description. So this video core responsibility will assist in developing and executing test cases, support the automation of test script and collaborate with senior engineer. So these are the some tech stack requirement. And remember friends, again saying before applying to any job, make sure to update your resume according to the job description. So whatever the skills they are demanding, if your skills are aligning, then just update your resume and then apply. Then only there is a chance of getting reward. Otherwise it will be of no use. Okay. So these are the some key requirements. You should have basic understanding of network principles, CN, computer network का knowledge होना चाहिए, Python scripting, strong analytical and problem solving skills, and communication of course required in almost every job. So if you are interested, you can apply. Moving to next opportunity, that is from the Internsala, and they are hiring. This is a internship opportunity that is for the backend development internship. So if you are interested in backend development and have idea of Node.js, MongoDB API, means working knowledge on API, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You will learn a lot and this will basically give a added advantage to your resume. So you should be available for 6-month internship and you should have relevant skill and you will get certificate too. So these are 15 numbers of opening and you will get letter of recommendation and all those stuff. So if you are interested, you can basically apply. This is wonderful opportunity friend. Make sure to go with the Internsala video which I already announced. That is the grand summer internship fair. Many of the company are hiring and they are basically also giving the opportunity for intern. So if you are interested, you can apply. Next opportunity, join our business development team. 0 to 1 freshers welcome. If you are from BE, BTech, MC or MBA background and want to work with them, then you can just share resume to this mail ID and this is the wonderful opportunity. Moving to next another important opportunity, and that is from the Nova. They are hiring for the role of full stack developer. So that was earlier was from the for the backend internship, but this is full stack developer freshers and you should start immediately. And this is the CTC 6 lakh to 7 lakh 50,000 and no experience is required. They clearly mentioned last date to apply 16 April. So again, make sure to share these job link with your friends too. Okay, those who are searching from those, there we will post lots of important multiple opportunity in my YouTube channel. So you can just subscribe us for the time being. Okay. So let me move to some more important opportunity for 2021 to 2025 pass out. Freshers from this can CV or can share your CV to this mail ID or to this mobile number and you will get direct interview call from them. So make sure to share your updated and good resume. Okay. And coming to second last opportunity, they are hiring freshers for the role of quality assurance tester. So if you are interested in testing role, then you can apply. You can expect the salary 15K per month and you should have good communication skills. And these are some requirements, but just go through it. Okay. So last important opportunity, that is freshers opportunity from xcelor. They are hiring for the role of Java, QA and DevOps training. So they are hiring for the multiple domains. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is 6-month training and strong chance of getting the PPO. So hope this video informative to you. So those who are 2025, 2026, you can apply. And those who have NQT exam, just best of luck. Just give your best. And those who still have time, I will suggest just go through the PYQs and all those stuff which I already shared in the channel. And especially those shift का जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया उसको आप जरूर देख लें. That will be important for all of you. And if you need any help, you can just follow me on LinkedIn or you can just ask me at Insta and anywhere. So मिलते हैं next video में. Keep applying for off-campus trying and best of luck who have exam. Thank you.